Today we're talking about how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Yep, you heard that right. It's time to explore the dark side of the happiest place on Earth. But don't worry, I'll guide you step by step so you don't get lost in the scary digital forest. Let's go. First up, grab your phone because we're going on a little digital adventure. Open the app and now you're gonna tap that bottom right corner profile icon, yeah, that one that looks like my good old pal Pluto. Click it. Now it's time to scroll down and tap on account. So here's where it gets a little tricky, especially if you're subscribed through Apple. Spoiler alert. Apple will send you a pop-up to warn that you're about to enter the land of external websites. But don't be scared, we're not going to battle Maleficent here. Just tap, continue, or whatever it says. Trust the process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to tap, manage account, at the bottom. Easy peasy, right? Now you'll see your subscription. It's like unwrapping the final gift on your birthday. Tap on it. You know you want to. Now it's time to scroll down and there it is, the magical cancel subscription button. Tap it, follow next steps, and you're done. Just like that, you can now leave the castle without a backward glance. No more tangled up in Disney plots or premature heartbreak over canceled shows. Just freedom. There you have it. You have successfully canceled your Disney Plus subscription. If you like this video, go drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.